Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you are the family admin and have two-factor authentication enabled. This secures controls. Next, open the Family Safety app or the System Family settings on the device and sign in with your admin account. Once done, add the child's account under your family group and send the invite. Make sure the device is connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network and fully updated so pairing completes without OS conflicts or permission errors. You accept the family invite on the target device and sign in using the child's credentials. This links accounts. Next, grant the requested permissions, location, activity reporting, and usage access, because without them, monitoring and enforcement won't work. Then, in the app, select the child profile and set screen time schedules, app limits, and content restrictions. Once configured, sync settings and run a quick activity test to confirm reporting shows up on your admin account dashboard. You finalize by verifying real-time reports and testing an enforced limit. Lock the device or block an app to confirm behavior. If controls don't apply, make sure permissions were granted, then revoke and regrant them or reinstall the Family Safety app to refresh tokens. Also check account roles, correct time zone settings, and that both devices run current OS versions. Mismatched time or outdated software commonly breaks enforcement. If still stuck, sign out and back in to force a settings sync.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.